Sige, batiin na natin ang July 9 birthday celebrators para kainan na kabayan.
Happy birthday!
Paring Roy de la Cruz, Banat.
Happy birthday!
Maligayang ika-70 karawan na ba? 70th birthday. Legendary ito. Ka Greg San Jose. Mr. Greg San Jose, happy 70th birthday to you. 70 na. Sana all. Ka Greg San Jose, siyang ka man naroon, maligayang karawan.
Happy birthday!
Sino bang kasabay niyo nagdiriwa ng karawan today sa ating lipunan, mga kababayan? Ito. Birthday ngayon, mga kababayan, ni L.A. Tenorio, magaling na basketballista, miyembro ng Barangay Ginebra. L.A. Tenorio, pinanganak July 9, 1984. Batang-bata pa. Ang artistang si Jake Vargas, kapusong Jake Vargas, 1992 pinanganak July 9. Birth anniversary, birthday pala, mga kababayan, ni former representative sa 1st District ng Bataan, Herminia Roman, 1940.
Happy birthday!
Yan, sila po mga kababayan ng diriwa ng karawan today. Balikan natin ang kasaysayan ng ating bansa. July 9, 1985, si Ginoong Arturo Pineda Alcaraz ay nanalo po sa prestigious IBM Science and Technology Award. The recognition honored a remarkable scientist who had already earned the title of Father of Philippine Geothermal Energy Development through his groundbreaking contributions to volcanology and sustainable energy. The Father of Philippine Geothermal Energy Development, Ka Arturo Pineda Alcaraz. Nanalo po scientific history, nanalo sa IBM Science and Technology, nanalo ng IBM and Science Technology Award. Sa ibang lahi, mga kababayan, birthday pala ngayon ng legendary actor na nanalo po ng back-to-back Academy Awards for Best Actor. Walang iba kundi si Tom Hanks.
Happy birthday!
Tom Hanks is 69 years old today, pinanganak July 9, 1956. Tom Hanks, si Forrest Gump, Saving Private Ryan, marami pang ibang mga pelikula.